Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the iPhone 17 Pro and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Today, we're diving deep into what sets these two flagship titans apart. Which display dazzles more with brightness and resolution? Does the powerhouse chipset in the iPhone 17 Pro outmuscle Xiaomi's Snapdragon 8 Elite? How do their cameras stack up when it comes to pixel count and zoom capabilities? Battery life, build quality, and innovative features like satellite communication and spatial video will also be dissected. And here's the kicker. With Xiaomi's jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main sensor and Apple's cinematic ProRes video, which phone truly redefines mobile photography and videography? Stick around because the answer might surprise you. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra edges out with a larger 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display, boasting an incredible peak brightness of 3200 nits, surpassing the iPhone 17 Pro's 3000 nits. This means Xiaomi's screen will shine brighter under direct sunlight, making outdoor viewing crystal clear, while both maintain smooth 120 Hz refresh rates and Dolby Vision support for stunning visuals. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro's Apple A19 Pro chipset with a hexa-core CPU and 6-core neural GPU showcases unmatched efficiency and optimized performance tailored for iOS, whereas Xiaomi's Snapdragon 8 Elite offers a powerful octa-core setup with a robust Adreno 830 GPU, delivering impressive multitasking and gaming prowess on Android. The iPhone's chip is the heart of its seamless ecosystem experience. When it comes to imaging, Xiaomi 15 Ultra steals the spotlight with its monumental 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, delivering 4.3x optical zoom and multi-directional PDAF, setting a new standard in zoom clarity and detail. While the iPhone 17 Pro offers versatile triple 48-megapixel cameras with sensor shift OIS and LiDAR, Xiaomi's sensor size and zoom capabilities make it a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts craving ultra-high resolution and zoom fidelity. Xiaomi's partnership with Leica brings laser autofocus, color spectrum sensor, and an optional 67mm filter ring holder, enhancing creative control and color accuracy. Whereas the iPhone 17 Pro impresses with its 3D sensor shift OIS and ProRes RAW video recording for professional-grade content creation. Xiaomi's Leica lenses elevate still photography to an art form. Xiaomi 15 Ultra packs a massive 6,000 mAh silicon carbon Li-ion battery, promising extended usage and endurance far beyond the iPhone's 4252 mAh Li-ion cell, making Xiaomi the clear winner for heavy users who prioritize all-day power. Both phones flaunt premium glass fronts and aluminum frames, but the iPhone 17 Pro's Ceramic Shield 2 front and ceramic back, combined with an aluminum alloy frame, provide superior durability and a distinctive luxury feel compared to Xiaomi's glass front with eco-friendly glass fiber or silicone polymer back options. In terms of resistance, the iPhone 17 Pro boasts IP68 certification, allowing immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, doubling Xiaomi's 1.5-meter rating. Plus, Apple Pay's wide certification adds seamless mobile payments, giving the iPhone an edge in ruggedness and convenience. Innovative features set them apart. The iPhone 17 Pro supports ultra-wideband Gen 2 for precise spatial awareness and offers emergency SOS via satellite plus unique 3D spatial video audio capture, while Xiaomi counters with two-way satellite communication, pushing boundaries in connectivity for remote areas. Memory-wise, Xiaomi offers up to 16 GB RAM with 1 TB storage, surpassing the iPhone 17 Pro's maximum 12 GB RAM, catering to power users who demand heavy multitasking and storage flexibility on Android's open platform. Price tags reveal Xiaomi 15 Ultra at $1,400 versus the iPhone 17 Pro's $1,099, reflecting Xiaomi's investment in battery, camera, and memory. But is the extra cost justified for the average user?